Well, the truck won't start. This is quite regular for it. Let's see. Nope, nothing. Well, if your truck don't start, what you do is get yourself some gasoline. Put it in a little container like this. That way it's easily to pour it in. All you need is a little bit and your carburetor. Should be enough. Don't need no starting fluid or anything like that. Maybe for some stuff, but things like this and other motors don't even use starting fluid. It hurts your engine and everything else. All you need to do is get some gasoline, either put it in a spray bottle and then spray it into the carburetor if you have a small carburetor or something. But might need some more. Alright. Haven't driven this in a little bit. That actually has cooled down too. Getting warmer. This is kind of a cold-hearted truck. How you start your truck if you have, or a car. You know, if you have an older truck or something like that with a carburetor, all you do is get yourself a little container, pour it into the carburetor, you know, just a little bit at a time, and start it up. Sometimes it's going to take a little bit more if the truck has been sitting or something like that, or the car has been sitting. But if you have a smaller, I'll take another video of that on some like a air compressor, generator. I got a couple of those big ones, and what I do is I spray right into the carburetor, and they light right on up. So, okay, later.